Greetings to all, myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the case study in the topic of scalable e-commerce platform using the AWS.
We are discussing a real-time case study on AWS. The case is about an e-commerce company facing major technical challenges. During peak sale events, their website crashed frequently due to heavy traffic. The system could not handle a large number of users at the same time. There were also issues like slow response time and poor user experience. The company used traditional on-premise service which had limited scalability. Maintenance cost was high and the system downtime affected business revenue. To solve these issues, the company decided to migrate the traditional on-premise servers which had limited scalability. Maintenance cost was high and the system downtime affected business revenue. To solve these issues, the company decided to migrate to cloud computing. They choose Amazon Web Services because it will provide scalable and reliable solutions. Now the team will explain how AWS helped solve this problem.
Sarojini can explain about the AWS overview and services used.
Yes, now Amazon Web Service is a cloud computing platform that offers various services. It provides infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. The company used several AWS services to build their system. Amazon EC2 was used to run virtual server for the applications. Amazon S3 was used to store image, videos, and static content. Amazon RDS was used to managing a relational database. AWS Elastic Load Balancer was used to distribute traffic evenly. AWS auto-scaling automatically adjusts the number of servers based on demand. Amazon CloudFront was used as a content delivery method for faster access. The service together improved performance and scalability.
Yes, ma'am. I will explain the architecture design. The system architecture was redesigned using AWS Cloud Service. The application is hosted on multiple EC2 instances instead of a single server. Load balancer distributes incoming user requests across multiple servers. Auto scaling ensures that new instances are added during high traffic. The database is managed using Amazon RDS for reliability and backup. Static content is stored in Amazon S3 for faster access. CloudFront delivers content to users from the nearest location. The architecture follows a distributed system model. This design ensures high availability and fault tolerance. Even if one server fails, other servers continue to serve users.
Explain about the deployment of the case.
Deployment. The migration process started by setting up AWS infrastructures. Virtual machines were created using EC2 instance. Application code was deployed into these instances. Database were migrated to Amazon RDS. Static files were uploaded to Amazon S3. Load balancer was configured to auto-scaling manages incoming traffic. Auto-scaling policies were defined based on CPU usage and traffic. Monitoring was done using AWS CloudWatch. Continuous deployment ensured quick updates without downtime. The entire system became flexible and easy to manage.
We can explain about the testing and performance result of the case study.
Yes, ma'am. Testing and performance result. After implementation, the system was tested under different conditions. Load testing was done by stimulating thousands of users. The system handled high traffic without crashing. Auto scaling increased resource automatically during peak loads. Response time improved significantly compared to old system. The data was securely stored and backed up regularly. The system showed high availability in minimal downtime. Performance monitoring helped identify and fix issues quickly. Overall, the system reliability and efficiently improved. So the cloud-based solution proved to high effective.
Can you explain about the business impact and the conclusion of the case study?
The migration of AWS provided several business benefits. The company experienced fewer crashes during sales events. Customer satisfaction improved due to faster performance. They used as they paid only what they used. There was no need to maintain physical servers. The system became scalable and flexible. Business revenue increased due to improved availability. The company successfully transformed its infrastructure using cloud technology. This case study shows how AWS can solve real-world scalability problems.